What's up guys, I'm back with a relatively short video. So if you've seen my last video, I have installed Windows 11 and I've shown you how to install Windows 11 on pretty much any hardware to skip their CPU check and TPM check and RAM check and whatever the other one is, secure boot. Alright, so anyway, when you first boot into Windows 11, after you install it, you're presented with the setup application. And let me check up here real quick. You want to make sure that you're not connected to the internet at all. So if you have a physical cable going into the computer, just disconnect it. Obviously at this stage you're not going to be connected to Wi-Fi, so you don't have to worry about that. But we are going to hit yes. You know, you want to pick your country, pick your keyboard layout, we'll skip the extra layout, and then you're going to get to this point right here. Now in Windows 10, if you remember, you usually have a skip button. There's a button that says, I don't have internet, which is not that absurd. There's places that don't have internet. To get past this point right here, we'll just do Shift F10, and from the command prompt here, you want to type oobe /bypassnro, all one word there. You'll hit enter, and it'll say just a moment, and right now it is going to restart. Once you boot back into Windows 11, this will be a little bit different now, so we'll pick our country again, do the keyboard layout, skip, and now we have a button over here that says I don't have internet, and continue with limited setup. Interesting enough, this one seems a little less persistent than the last one. In Windows 10, you had to click that you want to do the limited setup. You had to click that about 3 or 4 times. We're almost there. Hey, there we are. Anyway, there you go. Now you have a local account. As always, thanks for watching. Be sure to comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.